Hey, what's going on guys? Today I'm gonna walk you through how to set video as the lock screen wallpaper on your iPhone. The first part, go to TunesKit AceMovi and drag the video footage you want to make your iPhone lock screen with into the timeline. Then go to filters, choose a filter that you like and add it above the video track. Once you're done with the editing, click Export Device and choose your iPhone model as the output device and click Export again. Once you get the video and move it to your phone, download a video to Live Photo app from the App Store, launch it on your phone, choose the footage as the video parts and convert it into Live Photo. Once you get the live photo, find it on the galleries, tap share, scroll down the screen and choose use as wallpaper. Adjust the live photo to get the best position and then tap set lock screen. And there you have it, you've made the video into a lock screen wallpaper on your iPhone. And that's the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to leave a like, comment below. I hope you like it. See you next time.